Greetings from Delhi Public School, Nagpur. Delhi Public School, Kamptee Road, Nagpur hosted a thrilling wet and slide day for the pre-nursery students within the school premises. The little ones were treated to an array of water activities, including supervised swimming in baby pools, playing with water toys and enjoying the artificial rain shower. The children also had fun exploring the colorful bath books while splashing around in the pools. To enhance their learning experience, the school organized an engaging storytelling session for the students. The children were captivated by the wonderful story and fully immersed in the storytelling session. Furthermore, the school arranged a musical extravaganza to introduce the kids to various musical instruments. They were taught the names of the instrument and guided on how to play them. They were fascinated by the unique sound produced by each instrument and thoroughly enjoyed playing them. Overall, the tiny tots had a fantastic day, full of fun and learning, where they were able to indulge in water activities, storytelling and music.